ओके, हेलो स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू। आज यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे वर्कबुक की एक्सरसाइज चैप्टर 2 ऑफ हिस्ट्री। ओके, सोशल साइंस। यहाँ पे पूरी वर्कबुक की हम एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे चैप्टर 2 की, क्लास 6 की। ठीक है, फर्स्ट हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे चूज़ द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव आंसर्स। यहाँ पे मैं फटाफट आपको रीड करके दिखाऊंगी आंसर के साथ। ओके, the first one is how was primitive man's life. Okay, the primitive man's life was answer is nomadic life. Which weapon was not used by primitive man to hunt animals? That one is gun. Okay, third one, in which state is Bhimbetka situated? That is Madhya Pradesh. Which activities are not started by primitive man? Answer is industries. Fifth one is the primitive man means all of three. Okay, sixth one is which stage of human being is called hunters and gatherers? The answer is primitive man. Seventh one is for which animals did primitive man wander from one place to another? The answer is deer, sheep and goats. Okay, eighth one, what age is called at the time of life of a hunter, gatherers and wanderers? The answer is B, that is stone age, Paleolithic. Okay, ninth one, with which technology did primitive man associate? That answer is D, stone. 10th one, which of this following place found in Madhya Pradesh was inhabited by the primitive man? Answer is B, Bhimbetka. 11th one is in which type of cave did primitive man live for protection from rain and wild animals? The answer is A, natural caves. Okay, next page हम लोग देखेंगे 12th one. What suggests is that primitive man were familiar with the use of fire. Answer is B, the remains of ashes. 13.1, from which caves of South India have remains of ashes been found? Answer is A, that is Kurnool. 14.1, which was the invention that brought change in the life of primitive man? Answer is will. Okay, 15.1, when the human being started to live settled life, in which type of habitations did they live in the beginning? Answer is D, mud houses and hatch means hay. 16.1, who was the first companion of the settled life of human being? Answer is C, dog. Which two activities did primitive man towards settled life? Answer is A, farming and animal husbandry. Now 18.1, where is Mehrgarh currently located? The answer is B, Pakistan. Remains of what have been found from Mehrgarh? The answer is C, wheat, barley, sheep, goats and the stone implements. Question number 20, in which ancient place of Bihar have the remains of buffaloes? Answer is A, Chirand. In which state of India is Inamgaon located? Answer is B, Maharashtra. What kind of houses have been found in Inamgaon? Answer is D, around. Okay, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे second question, filling the blanks. Primitive man use peel means bark of tree and the skin of animals to cover their body. Primitive man lived in natural cave to get protection from rain and wild animals. Okay, next page. Third one, uh, which cave has been found in the Vindhyas mountain ranges in the central India? Okay, Vindhyas mountain. Then the fourth one is nearly 500 paintings drawn by primitive man have been found from the Bhimbetka caves. Fifth one, primitive man grew grains around the river bank. Sixth one, the primitive man started to make earthen pot to store the grain. Seventh one is internally primitive man made farming implements from stone. ठीक है. Then 8.1, the remains of the wheat, barley, sheep, goats and stone implements are found in Mehrgarh, presently in Pakistan. Ninth one, Kodihawa, the ancient place, is located in Uttar Pradesh state. 10th one, the remain of rice, sheep, goats and stone implements are found from Mahagada of Uttar Pradesh. Okay? Now 11th one, the remains of human colonies and rhinoceros are found from the Langnang of Gujarat. Okay, 12th one, the Burj Home and the Guruf Kalar, the ancient place are located in Kashmir state. 13 one, Merghra may be considered as the oldest village of ancient India. 14 one, primitive man barns in rectangular houses to store grains. 15 one, the remains of the dead bodies of the children have been found from इनामगांव ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. ना उसके बाद हम देखेंगे पुट द टेक ओके ट्रू और फॉल्स देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज प्रिमेटिव एंड स्टार्टेड rearing violent animals with the beginning of settled life. Answer is false. Second one, stone implements were used in Stone Age. Answer is correct. Primitive man has drawn pictures of lion and tigers in Bhimbetka. Answer is false. Natural colors have been used in caves of Bhimbetka to draw pictures. True. Okay. Fifth one, primitive man used iron tools. That is wrong. Sixth one, man used cloth to cover body. That is false. Seventh one, primitive man had drawn pictures on the walls of cave. Five was revolutionary of the life of human being. That answer is true. 8 1, primitive man made wheel from iron. That is false. 10th one, growing of grassland increases the number of herbivorous animal. That is true. Primitive man has rare cattle for milk. That is true. 12th one, primitive man made farming implements from the stone. That is true. 13 one, primitive man looked food in metal utensils. That is wrong. 14 1, the people of the Merghra lived in round shaped houses. That is false. The people of the Inamgam used to grow millet means bajra and barley. That is true. Now match the column here. See, yes, you can see here the wheat, barley, sheep, goats and the stone implements. The answer is O. You can copy these answers directly from here. Okay. Next one, we are going to see the question answers. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Which type of crops were grown by primitive man? The crops like wheat, barley, millet, bajra, rice, lentil, etc. were grown by the primitive man. Second one, which animals were reared by the primitive man? The animals like dog, sheep, goats, cow, buffaloes, bullocks, etc. were reared by primitive man. Okay, on the next page. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है लास्ट थर्ड वन. What is the internal stage of primitive man called? The answer is on the next page. The internal stage of the primitive man is called hunters and gatherers. Now fourth one, why did the primitive man wander from one place to another? The primitive man wandered from one place to another in search of food. Okay. Fifth one, who found the place of primitive people's habitation in India? That is archaeologists, anthropologists and historians found the places of primitive people's habitation in India. Sixth one, by which type of weapons and implements did primitive man use? The primitive man were associated with technology. Their internal time is called the Stone Age. Seventh one, why is the internal time of primitive man called the Stone Age? Since the primitive man were associated with stone technology, their internal time is called the Stone Age. Now question number 8, how were the implements of Stone Age used? The stone as implement of Stone Age were used to cut the vegetation and to scrape the skin of animals. Ninth one, by which type of place did primitive man prefer to live in? Primitive man preferred to stay in good and large places where stones, woods and water could be found. 10th one, which type of and how many paintings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka? About 500 paintings of birds, deer, wooden spears, trees and human beings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka. 11th one, how can one say that primitive men were familiar with fire. The remains of ashes have been found from one Kurnul located in South India. Thus, one can say that primitive man were familiar with fire. 12th one, which discovery and which invention made a significant change in the life of primitive man? The answer is discovery of the fire and invention of wheel made a significant change in the life of primitive man. Okay, on the next page, question number 13. How did primitive man first learn to make the wheel? Primitive man learned first to make the wheel from trunk of a tree and its thick wood. 14.1. The number of which animals started increasing atmosphere change. The number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats, etc. started to increase with the atmospheric change. 15.1. In what kind of houses did primitive man live after living in a cave? After living in a cave, primitive man lived in the houses made of mud, hatch, and other material around the growing of grain. 16.1. With what kind of pet animals did primitive man live? Primitive man lived with the pet animals like dogs, sheep, goats, cow, buffaloes, pigs, and etc. Due to due to what activities did the wanderer life of primitive man come to end? Due to the activities of farming and animal husbandry, the wandering life of primitive man came to an end. 18.1. After the end of the wanderer life, what changes came in the life of primitive man? After at the end of wandering life, the changes in the food, clothing, and shelters came in the life of primitive man. 19.1. Which farming implements did primitive man make from the stone? Primitive man made the farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. from stone. 20. What was the food of settled primitive man? The food of the settled primitive man was wheat, barley, flesh of animals, and fish, roots, and fruits. 21. Which places of primitive man's habit did archaeologists discover? The archaeologists discovered the places of primitive man's habit like Burjum, Gulfkular, Hurangni, Mergre, Langhanaj, Bhimbetka, etc. Okay, on the next page, question number 22. Where where were the remains of children's dead bodies found? The remains of children's dead bodies were found the ancient place name in Amgaon in Maharashtra. Question number 23. What was the shape of the houses found in the Mergra? What was found from those houses? The houses found in the Mergra was in rectangular shape. Small storages for grains were found from those houses. 24. What belief does the evidence of a goat's burial with dead person in ancient time indicates? The evidence of a goat's burial with dead person is found in Mergra. This indicates that a belief or imagination of life after the death of human being. Question number 25. In which state or are Bhimbetka caves located? Bhimbetka's caves are located in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now, question number 6. Give the historical reason of the following statement. Primitive man lived in a natural cave. In the earlier time, the primitive man lived in a nomadic life. They used to find places where they found the animals like deer, sheep, and goats and water. Thus, they stay in the good and large places where stone and woods, water were found. Here, they lived in a natural cave to protect themselves from animals and rain. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. The use of fire led to the revolutionary change in the life of primitive man. The use of the fire brought about a revolutionary changes in the life of primitive man. After the discovery of fire, primitive man started using fire in the activities described below. Okay, first one is the roasting meat of the prey animals, for lighting up their cave, to scare away the wild animals by highlighting fire in front of cave. Fourth one, to get protection from cold. Third one is primitive man's time is called the Stone Age. The life of primitive man lived in life of hunter and gatherer were associated with stone. Their implements and weapons were made stone from, and their caves were also made of stone. Thus, primitive men were associated with the stone technology, so their time is called the Stone Age. Now question number 7. ये बड़े आंसर्स है तो मैं फटाफट रीड कर रही हूँ. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस briefly. Which implements did primitive man make? Why did they use those implements? Primitive man made implements of stone, wood and bones. They used the stone implements to cut the vegetation and to scrape the skin of animals. They also used dress to cover their body from the skin. They used to make farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. from the stone. Now the question number 2. Which what impact were seen in the life of primitive man with the changes in atmosphere? यहाँ पे आपको 4 पॉइंट लिखने हैं. Around 12,000 years ago, with the widespread changes in the atmosphere of the world, the temperature increased in many places of the world. Due to this, there were many changes seen on the earth. They are as follows. First one is the changes led to the development of vegetation and grassland. This in turn lead to increase in the number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats, etc. Second one is the herbivorous animals were useful to primitive in many ways, so that they started to study their herbivore. Third one is due to the changing climate, grains like wheat, barley, millet, bajra, एक्सेट्रा वर ग्रोन विद द ग्रास ट्रीज एंड वेजिटेशन. यहाँ पे एक और एक फोर्थ पॉइंट है, वो आप मैंने लास्ट में लिखा है, मैं आपको लास्ट में रीड करके दिखा दूंगी. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है वो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज स्टेट द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ प्रिमेटिव मैन आफ्टर दे स्टार्टेड टू लिव अ सेटल्ड लाइफ. द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द प्रिमेटिव after the settled life are as follows. First one, to grow the grains at a place where the water is available. Second one is to make the earthen pots, small barns for storing the collected grains. Third one is to collect the grains, fruit, meat and fish for food. Fourth one is to make farming implements like spade, horse or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. Okay, how did primitive man use animals? On the next page. When primitive man lived the life of hunters and gatherers, they hunted animals like deer, sheep, and goats and used them as a food. Second one, they used their skin to cover their body. They made friends with animals. The dog became the first companion. Okay. Fourth one is they made some animals as they pet. As a result, the cattle rearing activity was started. Now the eighth question is, answer the following question. Why did the need of settled life arises? The primitive man led internally nomadic life in search of food. About 12,000 years ago, wide changes in the atmosphere around the world led to the vegetation and the grassroot region. As a result, gradually the activities of agriculture and animal husbandry started. Place could not be left due to the agriculture because it takes time to grow crops. They need water. After harvesting, the plants have to be cut off and the grains have to be removed from them. For this process, one has to stay in one place, and grains such as wheat, barley, and millet became useful food for primitive man. So he started to plan animals husbandry. Thus, the need for the settled arose ड्यू टू द एग्रीकल्चर एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है उसका जो 4th पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है. ओके, दैट इज नीडिंग सच क्रॉप्स यूजफुल, फाइंडिंग such crop useful. They started to grow the grains after collecting them with curiosity. Thus it was the beginning of agriculture in India. So यहाँ पे ये ख़त्म होता है पूरी एक्सरसाइज आपके सेकेंड चैप्टर की. प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये चैप्टर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और कमेंट कीजिए और चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.